And this wig was sent to me by Reshine Hair, so shout out to them. This is their ocean wave texture. If you guys recall, I did a video on the same texture wig from another hair company that you guys seem to really love. So this is pretty much the same thing, but we're gonna see how this one is. As you guys can see, it already comes with the kind of curl pattern in it already, the waves or whatever, which I'm probably gonna end up, you know, kind of fixing the curls anyway. But this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. This is what the hairline is giving. What I'm gonna do is go in and kind of clean up the part here, style it to my liking, and then I'll go ahead and give you guys all the specific details. This wig is glueless.
But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better?
Okay, so on to the details of this hair. Like I mentioned, this hair is from Reshine Hair. This is their ocean wave texture wig, which is pretty much similar to like a body wave texture. It is a 6x4 HD lace cap construction, meaning it is 6 inches across and then 4 inches back. And also I do have it in 24 inches. Now the density on this wig is 108% density, but I do feel like it could be just a little bit more fuller. It appears to be full when you kind of like fluff the curls out, but in reality it's just okay. It's not super thin, but it is a very natural density. So if you know you're someone that likes very full hair, almost equivalent to like 200% density, then I don't think this would be the right wig for you. But if you don't mind it looking extremely natural and not too full but not super thin either, then this wig should fit you just fine. It is a glueless pre-cut lace HD lace wig with a natural hairline. Now they sent this wig to me, and I would have thought they would have sent me this wig with bleach knots, because when I go onto the website, there are 2 options for this wig. Obviously bleach knots and then knots that are not bleached, and I got the ones that are not bleached, but it doesn't look too bad. I just went in with my lace tint, of course, and it looks fine. It just would have been better if they would have sent me the one with the bleach knots. Like if you kind of look up closer, if you were here with me in person and you were kind of close to me, you can't see a little bit of the black tiny knots that are in the front. I would recommend that you just go ahead and get the one that has the bleach knots. So what I noticed as I was styling it, that I did get a little bit of tangles with this hair, and that could just be because the hair already came pre-curled. Sometimes when they curl the wigs and then they put it in the packaging and it kind of smashes it, and then once you get it, when you try to comb it out, it will maybe snag a little bit. So I'm not going to say that's completely like a con. I just know that it only tangled a little bit because they had already pre-curled the hair, and then I went in and tried to comb out the curls that they already did. I do notice that the hair is a little bit frizzy in certain areas, and this is me just showing you guys it straight out of the box. But once I wash it, I have a feeling that all that kind of frizziness that the hair is giving now will definitely go away. So that's not too alarming. What I didn't notice was like a lot of flyaway hairs. I don't see too many of them with this wig, so that's always a good thing. The fit of the wig is also pretty comfortable. It doesn't have any combs inside. It does have an elastic band, however, which I am using that. I just adjusted it to my liking. Fits perfect, very breathable. I noticed that with these wear and go wigs, the hair is not as full. They're making everything as natural as possible. Natural hair density, natural hairline, just everything natural. What can I say? The hair itself is very soft. It didn't really have a smell to it. So far so good. If you ask me, this ocean wave texture to me just seems, and I've said this before, it just seems like a body wave wig that they put some wand curls in. That's really the only way to describe it. There's nothing fancy about it. So all in all, I can't say that I like the wig. What I will do is wash this wig. I will go ahead and bleach the knots on it just because that is how I prefer it. It looks pretty good like this, but like I said, if you were to kind of be talking to me face to face, you would be able to see the little black tiny knots that are in the front. Yeah, I'm sure this hair is going to press out just fine. I don't doubt that I'll have any issues with that or that it won't get bone straight because it's already kind of like a silkier texture. So I don't think I'll have any issues with it not getting bone straight. Texture is really great at holding a curl, so you're not going to have any issues with the curls not lasting. If you wanted to wand curl this hair, you can. Regular barrel curls. If you wanted to go on and crimp this hair, I don't think that the curls would fall anytime soon. This is all the hair pulled to the front so you guys can see the natural fullness that it's giving. For the heck of it, if I had to give this wig a rating, I would probably give it a solid 9 out of 10. And I'm going to keep continuing to wear it, so if you guys want to update, just come back and comment on this video and I'll let you know, like, hey, it's been 2 months, 3 months, it's doing great, holding up just fine. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for me. I appreciate you guys' support. As always, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below and I will see you in my next video.